The OpenCart Private Shop Extension restricts access to registered users for an exclusive shopping experience. Easily configure access restrictions from the admin panel. Allow only logged-in users to view your store or certain categories. Protect your store content from unregistered visitors. Provide a seamless shopping experience across devices, as it's fully responsive. Set up quickly without any coding knowledge. This is module understanding video of Knowband, private shop module of OpenCart. So here we have already installed the module. Since then, OpenCart module is installed through the server. Once you install the module on OpenCart, you have to enable it here. Once you will install it, here is edit button that will redirect you to the general setting page of the module. So you have to click here, and then you have to click on save when the status is enabled so that the module will get enabled for your store. Now, go on the front end, and you will find your module is activated next. You are having a field login sign-up form position. You can select the positions like left, right, or center, whatever you required for your team. Next, we are having a sign pop-up sign-up login form team. Here, we have given the predefined two teams default and modern. If you have selected the default, here is an option to form to handle the opacity next. If you have selected the modern team, then you are having an option to change the text title, sign up text title, and login text title. You can change the text that you wanted to display in your modern team. If you have selected the modern team and click on save, then go on the front end and refresh the page to see how the modern team works. So next we are having a sign login sign enable the sign up. If you will enable it, the new users are able to register themselves from the Fester private shop form as well. In case you keep it disabled, there is a no option to create a new customer. Next, we are having and verify new customer account. If the new customer is able to register themselves, then you can make it enable so that their users will come to the admin, and when the admin will approve the users, then only they will be able to access the site. Next, we are having a new account message here. You can enter the message that is going to be shown to the customer when they will do the registration, and the account is being sent for the approval to the admin. Next is the form background here. You can handle the form background by 3 process: apply color, apply image, or apply YouTube. When you will select the apply color, here is a button to choose the color. Next, if you select the apply image, you can upload a background image. You can edit and delete the background image from here. Next, you are having an option to apply YouTube. If you will select the YouTube, then you have to upload the correct YouTube video. URL that will work next is having the custom CSS. If you have selected enter the correct CSS, then the same will work for your store. And the same work as well with custom CSS if you have selected the correct JS. So if you click on it, save the configuration is saved. The same will work fine for your store. In case the YouTube URL is not correct, then it will show you a message like this. So make sure to upload always a correct URL of the YouTube. You can upload the image as well, and you have to upload them in. You have to click on edit button. It will show a page where you can see that you can upload the image from apply image field. You have to click on edit, and you will be redirected to the local to choose the image so you can apply the color as well. You can change the color from the color palette, and you can click on save. Once you will save, the configurations are saved. Go and refresh the page. You will find the changes on your screen like this. So the next we are having to registration. So you have done the registration with the required fields, and you have to wait till admin approves your account. Then only you will be able to access the front end. Click on registration. Here is a message like thank you for your registering with us, and the customer will go on to the admin to have the verification. Next tab we are having is access setting. Access setting will allow to block the complete site or only the selected pages for the complete site. You want to select the complete store for the specific pages. You have to select only selected. When you will select only selected, then you are able to enter your IP on which the store will be available for rest of all the users. The store will not be available. It will shown as blocked. Next is a choose private options, private product. You can choose that you wanted to block for your store. Only the specific customers will be able to choose them, will be able to reach their page here. You can select category, you can select the CMS pages as well, and you can click on save. Once the configurations are saved, you will have a success message. You have to refresh the page and you will find the module. So now you have blocked the component category and you will refresh that. You will go on the component category. As you can see here, we have added a tablet category page and the component page. So these pages are available to this category, to this IP that we have added. You can refresh the page and you can check that easily. The customer is able to access this category page. Since the same is being marked under the IP, the user is able to access the page. The same happens with the About the speech. So this is how the OpenCart Private Shop module works for Knowband. Thank you.